Hello everyone, this video is going to be for us to practice our letter sound identification. So I'm going to hold up a letter and you are going to tell me what sound the letter makes. Okay, now I will help you and say the letter with you, and the alphabet is in random order. So are you ready? Remember, we are saying the sound that the letter makes. Let's get started. First we have G, G. A, A. X, X. Uh, uh. Mm, mm. All right, great job. And the next one is ah, ah. D, d. Keep it going. The next one is z, z. E, e. O, o. Qu, qu. Ya, ya. You're saying it with me, right? All right. Mm, mm. W, w. B, b. What sound does this make? Great job. I, I. Er. T, t. For Miss Torres. J, j. V, v. The last one is S. Great job. Make sure that you're practicing your letters and your letter sounds. Keep up the good work.